Morning student, today we will discuss exercise 6e. Okay, let us discuss the question number 3rd. Okay, in which you have given a quadrilateral fish. SH is this, FH is this, angle S is given 120. So याद रखना S एंगल गिवन है तो इसको नीचे रखना है S को, बस ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है इसमें. So let us make the rough sketch. Now this is a rough sketch I have made of third question. FISH. S is given 120, that's why I have given in as a base angle. Now let's make it. Draw the 5.1. Okay, draw the 5.1. This is SH, 5.1 centimeter. Now you have given angle 120. Okay, now you know how to make the 120 with the D. Now let's learn how to make with the compass. Okay, so how to make it? Take a compass with the S as a center and make the semicircle here. Okay, now with this point as a center, make an arc, first arc. This first arc represent the 60-degree angle. When you make with this center, make another arc on this arc. This represent your 120 degree, because from this side this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Now make the 120 degree angle and make a line. You can also check with the D after making the angle. Okay, yes, it is exactly 120 degree. Now you have given that SI is 6.8. So take a compass and open the 6.8 centimeter from here, and with the S center make an arc of 6.8. This is your I point. Now 6.8 mention here. Now from I to F it is 7.7. So make another arc of 7.7. Okay, from I. So make an arc like this. Now you have given HF is 3.6. So take a 3.6 arc from the scale, and with the center H make an arc of 3.6 and cut the point, cut this arc. This get your point F. Now join the all points Fi and FH. After joining this, label it 7.7 centimeter. This is 120 degree. This is 3.6 centimeter, and that's it. So this is your required figure. Okay, bache? So remaining questions you have to do it yourselves. This is the third question only. Okay, and you have to write down the steps also, and you can make the angle with D or compass as you wish, and rest of the question you will do it yourself. Okay, bache, this is your 6F exercise. In this exercise you have 15 questions, from which we will discuss 3 questions because all are related to each other. Let us discuss the questions. So bache, this is your first question, in which you have given AB 6 cm, angle is 55, AD 3.2, DC 3.5. So this, and it is given that it is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD. So if they are parallel, so you must know this angle. To find this angle, you know the sum of adjacent angles of the trapezium is always 180. It is when the lines are parallel. Okay, so to find the angle D, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180, because the sum of adjacent angles of parallel line is 180. Now angle A is 55. Find the angle D by subtracting it from 180. So answer is 125. Now make the figure. So your base is 6 centimeter. Okay, so show the base 6 centimeter and name it as AB. Now you have angle given 55 degree at A point. So at A point make the 55 degree. So this is here. Now make 55 degree. Okay. Now you have given that AD is 3.2. So take a compass of arc 3.2 and make an arc from with A as a center. Okay. So here you got the point D, which is 3.2 centimeter from A. Now you have to make a line from D. So angle is given, angle D is given, we have found 125. So at this point, D point, make an angle 125 degree from this side, not from that side, okay? From this side make the angle 125, which is 0 अंदर है, तो 0 के अंदर 125 ये रहा, okay? So make the angle 125, ये देखिए अपने आप पैरेलल आ गई ना लाइन, अंडरस्टूड? सो मेंशन 125 here 55. Now you have given DC at 3.5. So make an arc 3.5 and with the center D, cut it. Okay बच्चे? Now this is your C point. Now join all the points. This is your required trapezium ABCD. Okay बच्चे? Okay बच्चे? So in first question you have to write down the steps of construction also, and each of question and the rest of the question you will do yourself. Now let us discuss the fifth question. This is your fifth question. Parallelogram ABCD and one of the side is given 4.5. It means opposite side is also 4.5 and diagonals are given 7 centimeter and 5.6. Okay, this is O point, intersection. We know that the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. It means if it is 5.6, the half should be 2.8 and it is 3.5 and 3.5. Now we will start the fair sketch. So take a scale and make a base 4.5. Then you know you have given this is 3.5 and this is 2.8. So take a compass and make an arc of 3.5 and 2.8. 3.5 from A, make an arc, and 2.8 from B. Okay, so this is your O point. Now join this points. You will get the required, you will get the triangle, that is AOB triangle. Now you know it is a 3.5 and this is 2.8. Now extend it. कितनी एक्सटेंड करनी है? 3.5 एक्सटेंड कर दो. ओके, सो पहले एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं, बाद में पॉइंट लगा देते हैं. सो 3.5 आ रही है हमारी यहाँ तक. सो टेक दिस पॉइंट, दिस इज योर सी पॉइंट. नाउ इसको भी एक्सटेंड कर दो डायगोनल को आगे, क्योंकि पता ही है ये 2.8 आगे. सो 2.8 कट कर लो. सो 2.8 चाहे आप कंपास से कर लो चाहे स्केल से. सो ये रहा मेरा पॉइंट. सो डी पॉइंट आ गया. नाउ ज्वाइन ऑल द पॉइंट्स, यू विल गेट द रिक्वायर्ड पैरेललोग्राम. See how simple it is. So similarly you will do the all other questions up to 9th. Okay, and don't and also write down the steps of construction of each and every question. Now let us discuss the question number 10. Now this is your 10th question. Construct a rhombus. Rhombus बनानी है. Rhombus mean whose all sides are equal with AB 5 centimeter. One side is given 5 centimeter. It means all sides are 5 centimeter. And one of the angle is given 75. If angle A is 75 degree, so to find the angle B, we know the sum of adjacent angle is 180. So it is 180 minus 175. That is your 105. Okay. So now make the fair sketch. Make the base 5 centimeter with the scale. This is your AB with 5 centimeter. Now take a compass and make angle 105 at B. ओके तो लाइन इस तरफ है, 0 बाहर है, तो 105 मेरा आ गया 100 105. ओके नाउ जॉइन इट विद B. नाउ मेक का एंगल 75 एट पॉइंट A. 75 बनाए यहाँ पे. लाइन मेरी राइट साइड है तो 0 देखना है, 0 इज इनर साइड, तो इनर वाले एंगल 75 किधर आ रहा है? दिस इज 70 75. Now join it. After joining it, you have given this is 5, this is also 5. So take a compass and mark the 5 centimeter arc from point B and A. ये थोड़ी ऊपर जा रही है, इसको एक्सटेंड कर दो लाइंस को. ये मैंने आर्क लगा दी. ओके इसको थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दो सो दैट इट कैन कट द आर्क. नाउ जॉइन द अपर पॉइंट्स. एक मिनट, 5 सेंटीमीटर लेट मी चेक. ओके क्योंकि मेरी नीचे लाइन, तो दिस इज द required figure. So this is your required figure ABCD. Mark it as, labeling कर दो 5 5 5 and also label the angles also, and also show this calculation and also write down the steps of construction. Now similarly other questions you can try it yourself. If you feel problem, you can discuss me on WhatsApp. So thank you everyone.